Welcome to another SMC's how-to video. In this tutorial we'll be showing the simple process of JSY3000 and 5000 pilot valve replacement. Let's begin. After identifying which valve pilot assembly is to be replaced, isolate both the air and electrical power supplies to the manifold. Here we've identified the A-side pilot solenoid valve at position 3 should be replaced. The two pilot valves are mounted on the end of each solenoid valve, so we remove this from the manifold base. Now, we can work to replace either of the pilot valves. Remove the retention screw and lift away the pilot cover. Place them both securely to one side for use again later. Next, unscrew and remove the two retention screw from the required pilot valve. As mentioned, here we're replacing the A-side pilot, which is the upper pilot valve in relation to the manifold base. The B-side pilot valve is below. Take note of the different mounting screw lengths and their locations. Each new replacement pilot valve is supplied with the required mounting screws and a gasket. Remove the original pilot valve and gasket from the main body. Fit the new pilot valve gasket, taking care it's located properly with the sockets. Fit the new pilot valve to the gasket and main body. Secure the new pilot valve using the mounting screws, ensuring the different lengths are located as noted during removal. Refit the original pilot cover using the retention screw removed earlier. Refit the valve to the manifold, ensuring that the gasket is aligned and undamaged. Tighten the valve to the manifold base. All done. The valve is now ready to use again. Check out SMC's other how-to videos to see how maintenance-friendly SMC's valve range is.